Most people don't know that Osceola County is the 11th fastest growing county in the country. Everywhere we turn, we see road widening projects, new developments, and directions to new model homes. With all of the new development and commerce moving into Osceola County, we have to adapt and continue to build and renovate schools and seats to keep up with the growth. We have a dedicated and very talented planning and facilities department here in our SDOC family. At any given time, they could be working through a dozen or more projects while simultaneously gearing up for rezonings, real estate sales or purchases, or working with other government entities on projects. Nearing completion is the newly renovated Gateway High School. Everything about their new spaces is best in class, from the new gymnasium to the new auditorium to the new arts classroom spaces. We have two new K-8 schools opening in the fall of 2024, Sunbridge K-8 and Knightsbridge K-8. We have a space reconfiguration project coming to Harmony Community School, two new transportation hubs to improve transportation efficiency, and a new high school on Nova Road, and a comprehensive renovation to Osceola County School of the Arts. And those are just the major projects. We have maintenance projects at several sites that are bundled into projects for efficiency and cost: HVAC replacement, roofing projects, electrical upgrades, and of course, enhanced security measures like our secure lobbies and additional cameras. We have a lot to look forward to in the school district of Osceola County over the next few years as we look to improve the student and employee experience, because every day is day one in the school district of Osceola County.